Welcome back, everybody. Thank you for watching another video. Tonight we're going to have a look at this awesome new folding EDC knife from CRKT. This is the Viento. And as always, guys, if at the ending of the video you want to purchase this awesome knife from CRKT and help support the channel, make sure you check out the link in the description below because we do get a commission if you purchase this knife. And of course, before getting started, just want to thank the good folks out at CRKT for sending me this knife to review. Let's get started. Let's begin with a quick size reference just so you get a better idea for the overall size of this knife. Here it is next to a large permanent marker. Here's a quick look at them vertically so you can compare the diameter of the pen as well as the length next to the knife. Let's get a rough measurement here with the blade closed. Looks like we got just about 4¼ inches overall length. And now with the blade open. And back to vertical. And finally, let's get a rough measurement here with the blade open from the tip here all the way to the end of the handle. So we got 7 inches right here. Looks like it's just about 7½ inches overall length. Let's have a look at the top of the knife here so you get a better idea for the overall thickness of this knife. So here is a pair of chopsticks. This is the thicker side. And it's going to be about the same thickness as that. Let's run a ruler across here and see what we get from scale to scale. Looks like it's just about 7/16 of an inch thick. Let's have a look at the thickness of the blade over in the thumb ramp area. Pretty consistent thickness here. Difficult to say with these rounded edges, but it looks to be about the same thickness as 2 US quarters. And let's run the ruler across here and see what we get. Yeah, just about 1/8 of an inch thick. That is a chunker. Let's get this knife on the scale so you know how much weight you're going to be putting in your pocket. Coming in at 3.8 ounces. And just in case you're wondering what 3.8 ounces might feel like in your pocket or your hands, well, if you got some AA batteries around the house, weighs almost as much as 4 of those. Let's have a look at your opening mechanism. It is a flipper lever. Really laid back here. Nice jimping on the face to give your finger something to grip onto. You just pull it back, absolutely flies open, gives you a nice clack when it reaches that open position. This blade is pivoting on CRKT's patented IKBS ball bearing system. This knife does have a liner locking mechanism to stop the blade from closing up on you. So if you follow the liner around here, you're going to notice right here as the blade is swinging open, it's going to lock over to the base of the blade. And to close the blade, all you got to do is move that liner on the side, close it up. Let's have a look up front at this absolutely gorgeous sheep's foot blade. We got no jimping on the thumb ramp area. Just a slight curvature for your thumb to sit on, but absolutely smooth to follow the concept of this knife. Kind of being a razor. We got fuller's cut on the top here on both sides. That's going to help save on the overall weight of the knife. Going to bring you guys in close again so you can have a look at this bead blasted finish. It's kind of like a satin finish, but heavier and a little bit more dull. So it's going to be a lot more durable. Love this finish. Now, most flipper lever knives, when you pull back on the lever, it's going to end up here on the bottom. And it acts like a finger guard, right? And you got a nice sharpening choil right down here that's going to help you sharpen this entire edge from the tip of the blade all the way down to the heel. Steel being used is D2. It is a high carbon stainless steel with just enough chromium to be considered a stainless at 12%. D2 is known for its hardness and long edge retention, and as we're going to see, takes a nice, sharp, fine edge. Gonna bring you guys in close so you can have a look at these G10 scales with the stainless bolster up front. G10, really durable grip material. Going to tip this sideways so you can see the aggressiveness here. Not much going on there. Right, but just enough texture to be grippy. Going to drop you guys down inside here to have a look at the liners. Right, these are full liners with no skeletonization. Really beefy knife. Now, as far as grip dynamics goes, this is a well-balanced knife. Center point is right over here at the beginning of the bolster. Feels great in the hand. Beautiful lines here. Basically, it goes in, then out, then in and back out. Beautiful lines here. And just a large space here for all of your fingers to wrap around. I would say this is more of a mid-size compact knife. Let's have a look at the back spacer here. Got some jimping in case you want to reverse grip this, ice pick it. All right, there's another good look at that. Here's a close-up view of your pocket clip. Follows the lines of the handle here. There's a profile view there. Not reversible to the other side. Tip up carry only. Here's a quick look at what this knife is going to look like when you dunk it down in your pocket. We're going to have just a little bit sticking up over the top there, making it very easy for you to pluck this out and deploy the blade. All right, let's check out this factory edge. You know, one of the things I love about Sheepsfoot and Wharncliffe blades is that they give you such a long cutting edge. It's so satisfying. Let's see how we're going to do here. Oh, yeah. Just slicing through that. No resistance, totally smooth, almost like a razor. Let's try it on some paracord. Should absolutely slice right through this. Easily. All right, let's put this point through some penetration. Nice. Up top. So satisfying, guys. All right, let's close it up with some cardboard cutting. Oh my God, that blade just flies through that. Can I get one more out of this? Easy peasy. Once again, guys, this has been the Viento by CRKT. Really stylish knife with a half G10 and stainless bolster. Really functional sheepsfoot blade that can basically handle all of your daily tasks. If you're looking for a new EDC knife with a little bit of style that's got great functionality, this could be a great option for you. Well, alright guys, this is the ending of the video. Remember, if you want to purchase this awesome knife from CRKT, make sure to check out the links in the description below. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.